Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Foods of the World with Ricardo Nunes. Today we can do a recipe with chicken gizzards. Chicken gizzards and potato. It's going to be delicious and yummy. It's a recipe from Portugal. Moelas de galinha, receita de Portugal, eh? Okay, so watch this recipe. You're gonna love it. It's so yummy and delicious. Chicken gizzards with potato. Moelas de galinha com batata. For this recipe, you got the gizzards, chicken gizzards, moela de galinha, onions, banana shallots, uma cebola de banana, garlic, alho, chicken stock, vegetable stock, cubinho de galinha, bay leaves, louro, potato, batata, olive oil, azeite, black pepper and salt, sal e pimenta preta. Olha só, hein? Look at that, eh? Okay, let's start with the olive oil, eh? Olive oil. Yeah, olive oil. Ok. Vamos pôr o alho. O alho, garlic. Yeah, the garlic. Let's fry until it goes crispy. Verificar até ficar crocante. Yeah, and add the onion, yeah? Yeah, let's add the onion. Cebola. Olha. Let's fry it until it gives a nice color. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. That's what we want. Beautiful color like that, eh? Yeah, look at that, eh? That will give a beautiful flavor. Add the bay leaves, yeah? The more. And give another good mix. Eh? Wow, look at that, eh? Beautiful. And after that, add the gizzards, the chicken gizzards. Well, it's galinha. Let's give a good mix. Yeah, let's fry it until it gives a nice color. Vamos pôr o cubinho de galinha, the chicken stock, add a cube of chicken stock in there. And let's add some water. Yeah, let's add some water. And let it boil. Let it boil for about 45 minutes, nice and slow, eh? Vamos ferver até 45 minutos, eh? Okay, let it boil for 45 minutes. Yeah. Vamos dar pedacinho de salt, add a bit of salt. Yeah, and a bit of black pepper, eh? Yeah, black pepper, eh? Yeah, black pepper and salt gives a nice flavor, and also add a teaspoon full of paprika, eh? Yeah, pimentão doce, paprika, eh? Okay, and boil it. Okay, like I said, in a medium temperature, let it boil for 45 minutes, eh? Okay, and after I'll show you the rest of the process, but let it boil now, eh? Yeah, let it boil nice and slow, eh? Look at that, eh? Look at that, eh? Yeah? It's been boiling very, very slow, eh? Very slow for about 45, nearly 1 hour, nearly 1 hour. Look at that. And now we're gonna add the potato. We're gonna dice this potato. I'm gonna put here. Look at that. Looks so delicious. Looks yummy. Está água na boca. Yes, it gives water in your mouth. Look at this. Now add the potato. And gentle mix. And let's cook for another half an hour until the potato cooks. And that's it. That's be the gizzards with the potato. Look at that. Beautiful. Moelas com batata. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be delicious. You must try this at home. You must try this at home. It's a delicious recipe. Olha só que eu encontrei lá na frigorífico, feijão verde. Olha, vou pôr lá, vou pôr nas moelas. I found this green beans. I'm gonna put in the chicken gizzards as well, so I'll give extra ingredients there. There we go, the green beans. Let's add that to the and let it cook. Look at that. Espetáculo, Tá um espetáculo, Yeah, it looks delicious, So let's give another 5 minutes and it's ready. Yeah, 5 minutos está pronto, 5 minutes and it's ready. Delicious. Olha só para esta delícia. Olha só, Uau. Olha só estas moelas aqui, bem cozinhadinhas aqui. Esta eu estive aqui a cozinhar mais ou menos, se for a ver, estive a cozinhar mais ou menos umas 2 horas, Yeah, if you see, it's about 2 hours it's been cooking here, So that's why it looks so nice. Even the potato thicken up, Yeah. So the potato thicken up the recipe, Yeah, a batata engrossou e feito bom molho. Delicious, Delicious, That's the gizzards, That's the gizzards, Look at that, Looks so delicious and so yummy. So yummy. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, the chicken gizzards with the potato and green beans. I put green beans in the end, so I make it more delicious. Espero que gostassem dessa receita com as moelas da galinha, a batata e o feijão francês. Lá no final resolvi pôr. Ok? E agora vamos apresentar o prato. Let's present the plate. It looks so yummy and delicious. Now we're gonna present the plate. I got here. I'm gonna present and let's eat. Wow, looks so yummy. Uma delícia total, Wow. Looks so good, Look at that, Looks so delicious and so yummy, Yummy. Uma delícia total, It's delicious. Moelas de galinha com batata e feijão francês, Chicken gizzards with potato and French beans, Delicious. Delicious, No. Yeah, another recipe, delicious, success, chicken gizzards. I love chicken gizzards because it's crunchy, and anything's crunchy, I love it. Oh, É um pedacinho crocante, mas está bem molinho, porque cozinhou por 2 horas. It's still crunchy, but it's been cooking for 2 hours. Also, it's very easy to eat because it's not hard. Just a little crunch, but it's beautiful. Oh. Oh, yummy. Oh. So delicious and so yummy. It's a must try at home. Please try this recipe at home. It's so delicious. I'm gonna leave it in the description the recipe, vou deixar a receita na descrição do vídeo. E fazer em casa, muito boa e é uma delícia total, moelas de galinha, chicken gizzards. Another one for the books, Please subscribe and like and share with the whole world.